it's time to add water again, and we're gonna go ahead and start trimming this up because it's well past the month period, and normally I start trimming them, but I was waiting for the kiddo.
And the light's all the way up.
Yep, and I was waiting for the kiddo to get here to show him how to go ahead and do this. All right, bud, so these are very sharp, okay?
Yes, I am.
So you see these right here? These are gonna be new branches.
Okay.
So we're gonna clip right here, just like that, okay?
So clip the ones that aren't new branches,
So like,
ones that are next to new branches.
and part of the reason we want to trim these down is because
The light's all the way up.
the light has to penetrate through the canopy to get down to the bottom. That's why the bottom looks a little sparse.
That's why.
So we're gonna go over here.
That's why these leaves are dead.
Got it? Good job.
That was slick.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Don't crush them, we're gonna save those.
It's a lot of basil.
That is a lot of basil. Too bad we're not making pasta tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Very cool.
We would use a lot of that basil.
And so you can see what's happening. See how big these leaves are? They're bigger than Ryder's hand.
Yeah, this one's way bigger than my hand.
Mm-hmm. But you see the top there, it's getting a little burnt because it was so close to the lamp. The LEDs may not have heat, but they burn the plants because of the photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Mm-hmm. So what we'll do is we'll trim these down to the leaves, let them dry, or put them in a dehydrator.
Trimmy, more and more.
And that's how we do it. And these will grow up, they'll heal, and they'll start growing. Especially now, I wait until they need water, and what I'll do is I'll water them now, and they'll start to heal faster because they'll be sucking up the water and the nutrients. So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll show you the progress. All right, I thought I'd do a final video. It's time to add some water and some nutrients. And this has just been a few days after doing our trim. And here we are. The plants have taken off after that trim. Just like I said, we're back at the light again. And these have started to bush out. You can't even see the bottom. So we'll have to keep trimming these throughout their growth. And if you take care of them, they should last at least, 4 to 6 months. And maybe even longer in some cases, depending on how well you keep the pH in your water and keep them fed. Pretty nice. This is the Aerogarden Harvest Elite. Very cool. And if you're interested, I'll put a link to it in the description below. And as always, we appreciate you watching these videos. On to the next.